Welcome to Shop Early Black Friday of Electric Stand Mixer, UTALENT 6 Adjustable Speeds Automatic Tilt Head Mixer with Flex Edge Beater. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include: with a powerful 350-watt motor, 6 optimized speeds, access to multi-purpose and a variety of recipes. It comes with full metal gear and planetary mixing action. Flex Edge Beater, flexible silicone edges bowl scraper, it can continuously beats. Scrapes and mixes ingredients side and bottom, ensure mixing is done thoroughly without scratching your mixing bowl and cuts mixing time by as much as 50%. It can mix butter. UTALENT stand mixer comes with 4 mixing accessories: whisk, dough hook, mixing beater, flex edge beater. The pouring shield with access hatch helps add ingredients without making a mess. The 4.2 QT stainless steel bowl is with handles. The tilt head design electric mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. Anti-slip silicone suction cups keep the mixer steady and low noise. If you want to get full features and full details of UTALENT 6 Adjustable Speeds Automatic Tilt Head Mixer with Flex Edge Beater, please visit the link in YouTube description. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.